Even if you are an intraday trader, it does not mean that you have to trade every day. Intraday trader means you are not going to carry your positions overnight, but it does not mean that you have to take a trade every day because you are an intraday trader. That is the kind of thinking which results in lots and lots of pain and losses for traders, because they don't understand the difference between being an intraday trader and trading every day. Trading every day is a compulsive behavior. It has no logical basis because you cannot get opportunities every day. So you have to wait patiently for the opportunities, and once you get those, then you can try and trade those. But till that time, you have to wait patiently. So during a week, you may or may not get trade opportunities every day, but you can still be an intraday trader. So that distinction you have to make in your mind. Otherwise, you will keep struggling, because you will try to find trades on days where there is no trade. You will end up frustrating yourself. You will lose belief in your trading system, and then everything is downhill from there. Okay,